Well, let's get going. I got rain later this afternoon. Need to get as much dirt moved as possible. So I'm gonna run down here first thing this morning, pull some more of that edge back so we don't lose so much clay, and then go over there where the off-road truck is, start cutting some more of that. We'll haul it over here and get that half of the dam on grade, then probably start on this section right here. Let's get to moving some dirt. So I've hauled load number 1. Everything's warmed up, ready to go. I'm gonna extend this cut out and then probably put the cut down, or the truck down here in this cut on the next pass, and I'll dig out over here to my right. We'll haul that up there and get that on the pond dam. Keep working it on. Definitely tell this truck does haul more dirt even with the tailgate off. Obviously the tailgate would be good right now, but hauling that barn and everything, I just knew it was going to get in the way, and then my next job I've got a lot of brush to haul with it, so I just wanted to go ahead and take it off and be done with it. Obviously I still have it if I ever need to put it back on, but I think for the majority of the duration it's just going to stay off the truck. It's really only handy when you're hauling wet material. You can put a little bit more in there with dry dirt, but it just becomes so aggravating. Dirt gets stuck in the truck, and then the tailgate's all in the way when it's raised up to try to scratch it out. Go dump this and we'll keep moving material. The core trench here, the other side of the dam, I'm gonna get Tyler to take the skid steer and start ramping that clay down into there. Get in here and pack all that in. Isn't too bad, but you can still see that layer of topsoil I'm digging out right here. Throw some of that over here. That's good topsoil. We can put that on top of the dam when we're done. So I'm just skimming through all that. Going down about another foot or so below it, make sure everything's good solid ground, and we'll put clay back in here. this out. I'd like to get this section of dam built. Put back today before it rains. Probably go over there and start digging my new hole and see how that dirt is. That stuff over there, it packs good, it's just a little wet. Therefore it's a little spongy. Clay's got a little moisture in it. You can see it pumping a little bit, but it'll work out fine. At least it's packing good. Had to start another lift down there. My clay ran out over there, so might just have to kind of dig a hole right in there, then push all this stuff back in there to fill it in. Yeah, I think we'll dump one more lift in here. That should be pretty close. This is about 4 inches from grade right there. I can use some of that worse dirt for that, or pull up that front edge a little bit to get that grade where it needs to be. Well, we're getting that half of the pond dam on grade. I'm back over here. I'm gonna start cutting this clay out. I'm just gonna stockpile it all into a big pile right here. Then come back in here, cut the core trench, and I can just lay it over here with the excavator and he can push it in place with the dozer. All right, so I'm in my last spot for clay here on this hillside by all that rock, so hopefully I don't hit rock and I can go down 10 or 15 feet and dig a big hole here. This is the last spot that I've found that's dry and has clay. Oh God, was that the water line? That was the water line. We missed it. Well, that was definitely the water line. About 20 feet off from where we had it marked. Or he had it marked. I had no idea where it was. Evidently he didn't either. Luckily it's that black pipe and that stuff's pretty easy to fix, so we'll get that fixed back after lunch. Carry on. ideal material right there. Yeah, it only looks like I'm gonna be able to dig down about 4 feet. Daggone it. You know what's nice about working for country folks? She said, let me go get my tool bag. 30 minutes, had everything fixed. Piece of pipe, clamps, put back together, water back onto the house. No problem. Well, this is definitely some of the best clay I've found. It's just very limited to the area. Fell in a hole there. Got a dumpster to put all this metal in. They're gonna recycle that. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, if I can get another 5 or 6 loads in there, get that prod up to grade, then I can take this material and put it back over. That's my cue to dump the load out. Take the excavator real quick and knock all this dirt that I hauled up here top of the hill down. Try to rake it out a little bit. We've got all the dirt we need down there at the pond dam, I think. Just want to kind of rake this out so I can see how much more I can possibly haul up here. Power line going to that house up there. That's why we had to cut that tree down. But I'm just going to bury the stump with dirt. You never know it was there. Definitely dump a few more loads up here and kind of cover some of these rocks up for them. Get a little bit of grass to grow maybe. Alright, well I can finish the rest of it up with the dozer. I just wanted to get the majority of this kind of roughly knocked down. Let's see, it looks like I can kind of fill this in a little bit more and maybe get rid of another 8 or 10 loads up here. Well, everything's looking good. He's spreading that topsoil on the back slope there. Pretty much got everything I have. I got the core dug about right here. I need to dig like another 40 feet there just to be safe. But I wanted to get all this filled in, which we did. So I'm happy about that. I'm gonna load this stuff out right here and probably just haul it up there on the hill, dump it out. That'll get rid of that material. And I may haul some of this other stuff from the other end over there. It's kind of a low spot. And we'll need, I can pull just a little bit more of this material right here up top. And that'll be good to go on the pond dam here. May get a load or two of topsoil. That right there isn't bad. This right here isn't bad either. Just sprinkle a little bit on it. If I can find some drier material somewhere. There was some good topsoil over there, but I don't know how wet it is. We'll have to see. Man, this is looking good here. I got this pulled, the slope pulled back a little bit more, so be a little bit easier to mow with the 0 turn. Nice and wide up top. I'm liking it. About 2 more days, we'll have a serious whooping on this. Well, heck, after tomorrow, we'll probably have a... I want to get all this out tomorrow, depending on how much it rains tonight. And get all that pushed up over there. I may haul, I need to restack that if it rains. Let that last little bit burn. But yeah, I'm liking it.